Hello and welcome to our Sumo bot template modification lesson. First thing you need to do is you need to open this, and you can do that by going File, Open. Then you need to choose Student Common, Greenwood, Robotics, AutoCAD, and Templates, and you're looking for Sumo bot template 17070. I'm going to cancel that because mine's already open. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go File, Save As, and I'm going to change it to my school network drive, which you should also do. And I'm going to go into my AutoCAD folder, and I'm going to change it as SumoBot instead of template. I'm going to put for beak and 17070. Now, if you plan to, 100 by 100 by 70, then you're basically done this except for understanding your layers. So first of all, here's the layers palette. I can double click on it, and I have 3 layers. I have a text layer, which is locked right now. You can unlock it, but I don't really see why you would need. You might want to turn the text layer off when you're working. I would read it first and then possibly turn it off or possibly leave it on. That would be your choice. Then we have the 0 layer, which is the white layer, and that is the side that shows the boxes, and that's the part that we're going to work on now, and we're going to show you how to change these sizes. And the cut layer has nothing on it right now, so I'm actually going to lock the layer, and I'm going to double click on the 0 layer, which is my white layer. I am going to turn off the visibility of my text, and you'll notice there's a green check mark on the 0 layer, and that's what we need. Now, from here, and after your discussions with your partner, you've decided how big it is. And remember, this one is set to millimeters. So I can grab my measurement and I can zoom in and see this one's 100 by 100, this one's 100 by 70, 100 wide by 70 high, 100 wide by 70 high, and 100 by 100. And then down here, we've got 70 high and 100. So you have all kinds of choices. You do not have to go as high as we've gone, which is 100 millimeters high. You do not have to go as wide because you might want to have your wheels out. Those measurements up to you. The strong suggestion is that you go up by 10s. If I want to get skinnier here, I can go 70 or I can even go 60, depending on how wide the motor is, so you should have measured. Now, if I need to redo sizes, I can just click on them and I can delete all the circles. I would probably keep the text, and I would probably keep these little boxes. The boxes are so that you can attach your arrays to it, and we'll move them around later. The wheels should probably just stay the same as they are. So I wouldn't bother touching any of that. I'm just going to click on the rectangle tool, and let's say that I want it So here I'm going to focus on a 70 high by 70 wide by 70 deep. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose a rectangle, and I'm going to click, and I'm going to type in 70, then I'm going to hit Tab, and then I'm going to hit 70 and Enter. And then I should be able to click on this, and I'm going to hit the copy tool, and I'm going to go here. You may have to make these boxes smaller for your connection hole grids, but that will be your choice on how big you would like to make. Once you're done with your template, you're going to go to your layers palette. You are going to lock the 0 layer. You're going to unlock the cut layer, and you're going to double click on the cut layer, which is set to red. And then you can start making your box joints. Thanks for watching.